Welcome to Explain, a series of health education programs published by the Patient Education Institute, the leading provider of interactive health education. This video includes general medical information and does not replace the medical advice of your doctor or healthcare provider. If you have questions pertaining to your medical condition, ask your doctor or healthcare provider. Low testosterone in men. Introduction. Testosterone is the most important male sex hormone. It helps the body produce and maintain adult male features. Low levels of testosterone affect a man's sex drive, physical features, and mood. Low testosterone can be treated with hormone replacement therapy. This program explains what testosterone does to the body. It also describes what happens if a man does not have enough testosterone. Included are diagnosis, treatment options, and associated risks of low testosterone. Testosterone. Hormones are chemicals made by glands in the body. Hormones travel in the bloodstream and regulate body functions. Testosterone is the most important male sex hormone. It causes the changes in boys as they become men during puberty. The testes produce most testosterone. The adrenal glands make a little bit also. In women, the ovaries make a small amount of testosterone. Testosterone is active throughout life. While a male fetus develops inside his mother, testosterone causes his genital organs to develop. At puberty, testosterone causes the penis and testes to grow larger. It also causes facial and pubic hair to grow. A teenage boy's voice becomes deeper, he grows taller, and his muscles get bigger and stronger. This is all because of testosterone. In men, testosterone helps produce sperm cells and keeps men interested in sex. It also keeps muscles and bones big and strong. Testosterone even has something to do with the way a man's hair grows. The body carefully controls the level of testosterone. The hypothalamus tells the pituitary gland how much testosterone to produce. The pituitary gland passes the message on to the testes. The glands communicate this message by releasing hormones and chemicals into the bloodstream. Not all testosterone in the body is available to tissues for action. About 40% is bound tightly to a protein called sex hormone binding globulin and is not available for action. About 58% is bound to albumin and is available to most tissue. The remaining 2% circulates freely in the blood. The level of testosterone in a male's body changes throughout the day. It is highest in the morning. There are a number of medical conditions that can cause low testosterone. The next sections discuss the symptoms, causes, and treatment of low testosterone in adult males. Symptoms. Signs of low testosterone in adult men may include decreased sex drive or libido, no or poor erections of the penis called impotence or erectile dysfunction, lowered sperm count, increased breast size. Some men with low testosterone have hot flashes, increased irritability, inability to concentrate, and depression. Men with severely low testosterone may lose body hair and muscle mass. Their bones may be more prone to fracture. Their testes may become smaller and softer. Sponsored by the Patient Education Institute. www.patient-education.com. Over 5,000 videos and interactive tutorials. Causes. Low levels of testosterone are linked with aging. Diseases of the glands that produce and control testosterone also cause low levels. As a man ages, his body makes less testosterone. A lower level of testosterone in older men is sometimes called andropause. As men age, it is normal for them to have less interest in sex. However, it is abnormal for a man to have absolutely no interest in sex. This could be caused by significantly low levels of testosterone. Damage to the cells of the testes can cause low testosterone. This kind of damage can be a result of accidents, inflammation of the testicles, testicular cancer, radiation therapy or chemotherapy used to treat testicular cancer. Diseases that affect the hypothalamus and the pituitary glands can cause low testosterone. These include cancer, inflammation, and autoimmune diseases of either gland. Certain drugs can affect the way the pituitary gland works and cause low testosterone. Morphine and anabolic steroids are two examples. Certain genetic diseases cause low testosterone. Abnormalities in chromosomes, the genetic materials of the body, cause genetic diseases. For example, myotonic dystrophy causes testicular failure between the ages of 30 and 40. Diagnosis: men with less sex drive, erectile dysfunction, reduced sperm count, decrease in muscle size, or other signs of low testosterone should have a blood test to find out their testosterone level. Normal testosterone levels are 300 to 1200 nanograms per deciliter. Testosterone levels are usually highest early in the morning. Doctors often measure it at that time. The doctor's main concern is to find out if there is a disease causing low testosterone. If not, it may be an extreme case of low testosterone due to aging. It is not always easy to diagnose the cause of low testosterone. You can help your doctor by providing a detailed and accurate medical history. To get your medical history, the doctor will ask about your past or present illnesses, all prescription and non-prescription drugs you are taking, any sexual problems you are having, recent events that may have caused you stress, any genetic disease in your family. Next, your doctor will examine you and look at how much body hair you have and where it is at, the size of your breasts, testes, and penis, your testes and scrotum to check for lumps, your ability to see in all directions. Your doctor may request a bone density test. Low testosterone levels can make the bones more brittle. If the doctor thinks there may be a tumor in the pituitary or hypothalamus, he or she may need to take a picture of your brain. This is done with a CT scan or MRI. CTs and MRIs are painless. CT scans use X-rays, and MRI uses a strong magnetic field. MRI is usually better at showing pituitary or hypothalamic tumors. If the doctor suspects a genetic cause of low testosterone, he or she may request a genetic test. This is a process to examine a person's DNA. It shows whether the person is at risk of passing a genetic condition to his or her descendants. If the doctor diagnoses a tumor, inflammation, or genetic disease that is causing low testosterone, it is best to get treatment. Sometimes a specialist is needed for treatment. Hormone replacement therapy may be recommended to make up for low levels of testosterone. This therapy is discussed in the next section. Hormone replacement therapy. Hormone replacement therapy gives the body more testosterone to replace what is lost. This therapy can take care of many symptoms of low testosterone. Testosterone replacement therapy may increase interest in sex, produce more frequent erections, reduce depression, anger, and fatigue, maintain male traits such as a beard, increase muscle mass and bone density, strengthen the hand and leg muscles. Hormone replacement therapy can be in the form of implantable pellets, injections, gel and patches. Testosterone pills or capsules are not recommended as hormone replacement for men. In weak concentrations, these pills are not as effective as injections, gels, or patches. In high concentrations, they can cause serious adverse effects on the liver. Implantable testosterone pellets can be placed under the skin of the buttocks during a simple procedure. Numerous pellets are placed at one time. They slowly release testosterone over a 3 to 4 month period. Another procedure is required to replace the pellets once they've been used up. Deep muscle injections are the least expensive. They are taken every 7 to 22 days. Testosterone levels are highest 2 to 3 days after an injection and slowly go back down until the next injection. Injections are painful, and testosterone levels fluctuate between injections. Gel and patches are applied daily to the skin. They can be placed on the back, abdomen, upper arm, thigh, or scrotum. They are easy to apply and do not cause testosterone levels to fluctuate like injections do. The skin absorbs the testosterone quickly, stores it, and releases it slowly into the blood. There are some disadvantages of gels or patches. They can cause skin irritation, itching, or blisters. The patch could fall off if the person sweats. Also, women and children should not touch the skin where the gel or patch is applied. If you take testosterone supplements, you should tell your doctor if you have trouble breathing, especially when sleeping. You should also tell your doctor if you have frequent or persistent erections. Your dose of testosterone may need to be adjusted. Risks and contraindications. Men who have or may have breast or prostate cancer should not take testosterone replacement therapy. Men with heart, kidney, or liver disease may experience heart failure while on testosterone therapy. Use of testosterone supplements over a long period of time can result in breast or prostate enlargement or prostate cancer in older men. Men receiving testosterone replacement therapy should be checked often for prostate cancer. A doctor can screen for prostate cancer with a rectal examination and a blood test called PSA.
If you like this video, please like and share. For similar videos, subscribe to our channel.
Conclusion. Testosterone is the most important sex hormone in men. It produces and maintains adult male features. Low testosterone can be due to aging. It may also be caused by a disease of the glands that produce and control testosterone levels. Low testosterone affects sex drive, physical features, and mood. Testosterone replacement therapy can increase interest in sex, produce erections more frequently, reduce depression, anger, and fatigue, maintain masculine traits such as beard growth, increase muscle mass and bone density. Testosterone replacement is not for every man. It is normal to lose interest in sex and have fewer spontaneous erections with age. A doctor can determine if testosterone replacement therapy is right for you. It will depend on how low your testosterone is, why it is low, and your medical condition.
Thank you for using Explain.